What's up, YouTube? As you can see,
It's fall.
it is fall and there's leaves are falling down everywhere. There you go. And it's a beautiful fall this time of the year, 2020.
There's a reason why we're making this. And
Yeah.
that is, we're gonna show you how the camper bed we made, how it folded up nice and neat.
Also, we want to make a whole video about this whole car, Honda CRV 2003. As you can see, we have custom modded. We bought front bumper, the what do you call this, dude? The cage rack.
Yeah.
And
The rack.
let me just get a whole view of the car. And this looks so sexy in the fall too. Colors and contrast.
And it's raining too. Just like how it's supposed to be, right? Rain and fall mixed together.
Yeah. Holy.
So you can see, this is our camper sleeping bed we made. This whole platform opens up over there and you can sleep in it, and then you could fold it back onto itself. And once we did that, we just got this clamp.
That was very inexpensive.
1 inch, and just tighten it down.
And it could support 1,000 pounds, but the point of this was so we could still make people sit in the front while this is
Like
neatly in the back tight.
We'll be able to use those
Yeah.
back seats. Also, look, this is where we tied it down. So these two
Clamps.
hinges, so that's where we tighten down the whole platform with.
And remember, we're not finished with this puppy yet. We're gonna install the, slide out racks here so we could put our stove top.
Stove burner, the drawers, and this won't move anywhere.
Well, it doesn't even budge, man.
So it's safe to say we are safe here in case of a crash. This is very tight over here, and it won't go that way. There's seats also holding it down.
And open that door and show them how much room they got. See, look. Excuse that, but we could sit 5 people here without problem, and we still have that conversion in the back, and that's permanent. Like we said, that's permanent.
So this is for Honda CRVs years 2003 to 2006.
All right, let's show them the car now, because I think they got all that. It's beautiful, guys, I must say. It's beautiful out here today.
Give me the keys, let me turn on the lights.